Hello everyone. I decided since we are on lockdown, we will do some more unboxing videos. So let's get started. We have a YA book, Here's to Us. That's a sequel to What If It's Us. We've got In Every Generation, also YA book. It's based on Buffy, for those that remember Buffy. The Return of the Pharaoh. We have a picture book. We have a graphic novel about the Black Panther Party. And Castle's latest, Guild Boss. Graphic book called Squad. I believe it's for adults. V. Schwab has done a graphic novel for those who enjoy her. We got a Truth or Lie, all about cats. We've got a French book about transportation. Nice big one. We've got the latest Ken Follett in, Never. This one is Richard Paul Evans, Christmas Promise. Oh, a little late. Rom-com Duke Actually, Jenny Holiday. Oh, number 4 in Heartstopper is here. I know that's a popular one in our adult graphic novels. My Darling Husband by Kimberly Bell. Alexander McCall Smith. Ted Bell, Seahawk. All right, we're done that one. Let's move to the next one. And this one is all about DVDs and audiobooks. We've got Enrique Iglesias. Oh, I can't say his last name today. Colin James. These are all CDs. Got an audiobook, The Horsewoman by James Patterson. We've got Lincoln Highway, a novel. Audiobook. Another CD, Love Songs. Oh, children's DVD, all about patience, kindness, and goodness. Oh, it's a VeggieTales. The French Dispatch DVD. We've got The Hidden Life of Trees. Another DVD, On the Rocks. Copying book. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's also the latest Ken Follett, Never. That's exciting. And now we have another big box. This is the last one. You guys don't need to see that. Oh, very efficiently packed. And I see we've got some kids books. That's exciting. It's called Boy, Phil Cummings. These are all backwards. Ooh, Chemistry for Curious Kids. Another adult graphic novel, The Crossroads at Midnight. That looks creepy. Even Robots Aren't Perfect by Jan Thomas. Always a funny book. We've got Peter Reynolds, Love You by Heart. Oh, sweet. Ooh, House of Print. All about prints. Ooh, I love it. Oh, a nice big one for the kids section. All about fossils. We've got some Babysitter's Club coming in, graphic novel, a Late Christmas Easy Reader, Grumpy Monkey. Oh, look, all the easy readers are coming in. Grumpy Monkey. Is it Hanukkah yet? We have another Grumpy Monkey one. Always a good read. Ty's Travels, some science. We've got a Batman Easy Reader, some junior fiction, The World Blinks. We got Tom Clancy's latest, Find Me, Jeffrey Deaver, The Nightlock. This looks like a YA book, Ashes of Gold. We got a large print of it. Oh, no, it's not. Robert B. Parker's Bye Bye Baby. Hidden Genius, Mary Benedict. Another easy reader, The Mandalorian. Isn't he cute? Rick Mercer's book, Talking to Canadians. We've got a Peach the Kitty easy reader. We've got another Wings of Fire graphic novel. We've got One True Loves by Lisa Bryant. Mountain Runaways by Pam Withers. Jenny Oldfield, Storm Cloud. The Midnight Hour by Ellie Griffith. Another Heidi Huckelbeck. Easy Reader. Use your chapter book. We've got Tiger's Honor, Rick Riordan Presents. Oh, the latest in the Starfell series for the kids. I believe this is the Full Metal Alchemist. Yep, number 15 is in. We've got, oh, Amanda Gorman's finally in. I know some of you are waiting for that. Unearthed. It is a highly recommended graphic novel. Another Kind. And let's see what's tucked over here. Ain't Burned All the Bright. And two more down here. We have a unicorn book. It's a graphic novel. And the latest in the Shuri series. So if you see anything you like, let us know. And also remember, it takes us sometimes a few weeks to get this all cataloged. Thanks, bye.